Have you ever wondered how robots move, how sensors detect temperature or distance, or how smart homes automatically control lights and appliances? At the heart of many of these systems is a small but powerful device called the Arduino microcontroller. Despite its simple appearance, this tiny board can control electronics, read sensors, and bring creative ideas to life. Arduino is an open source electronics platform designed to make working with electronics and programming easier for students, hobbyists, and engineers. It combines hardware, which is the Arduino board, and software, which is the Arduino IDE, which is also known as Integrated Development Environment. It's used to write and upload a code. At the center of the motherboard is a microcontroller, a small computer that reads inputs from sensors or buttons and controls outputs like LEDs, motors, and displays. The Arduino board consists of several components. The Atmega 328P is the microcontroller which acts as the brain of the board and runs the program we upload. Digital pins send or receive simple on or off signals, while analog pins read varying signals from sensors like temperature or light sensors. The USB port connects the board to the computer for programming as well as power. To make Arduino perform tasks, we write programs using the Arduino IDE, as I said, which is based on C and C++ programming languages. Every program has two main parts, setup and the loop. The setup function runs when the board starts, while the loop function continuously runs, allowing the Arduino to constantly read inputs and control outputs. With Arduino, beginners can build projects like blinking LEDs, while more advanced users can create robot cars, smart sensors, or home automation systems, and many more. Because it is easy to learn, affordable, and supported by a huge community, Arduino has become one of the most popular platforms for learning electronics and building innovative projects. Thank you.